Tornado warning, guys.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Hamilton County, southern Tipton County, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles southwest of Tipton, or 20 miles south of Kokomo, moving northeast at...
I'm pretty sure they have the message now.
Expected hazards include
Tornado warning, guys. First time I've caught tornado warning since last year. No, since 2 years ago. No, last year. I last caught one on October 7th, 2014. But yes, EAS. This tornado's been on the ground for such a long time. 1 minute.
Around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior portion of central building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors.
And then it's gonna be on channel 3. Why is it on channel 3?
A tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hamilton and Tipton.
Yes! Just got down to EAS 9, everyone! Tornado warning! Again! This is a severe weather event, guys. Never if I'd say this, but first ever severe weather event, another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Tipton County, Howard County, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over in Fall City, or 11 miles southeast of Kokomo, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flying debris,
The old-fashioned lockdown. Come on, Xfinity. You do that. You used to do that all the time to me. Remember April 28th? Tornado hit Rush County. You completely locked down.
around 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Yes, not so close to
If you are
EAS.
outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Seriously.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Howard and Tipton.
That's Morgan Grant. I need to go to RTV6. I need to see this. Breaking news. Tornadoes hit Central Indiana. It's crap. Please subscribe, guys. I need to go into full emergency mode.
Southeastern Miami County, southwestern Huntington County, in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Walnut County, northwestern Grant County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over 8 miles west of Marion, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flying debris to the mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
They just issued a new tornado warning.
tree damage is likely. The state
Sorry.
Marion around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Suites around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. La Fontaine around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the tornado thunderstorm include Herbs, and CLP and Concord. Cover now.
Tornado.
Move to a basement or an
What are
interior
you
room on
doing
the
its
lowest
time? I
floor
think
of a
this is
certain
going to be a
building.
doubleheader, guys.
Avoid windows.
Isn't it
If you
already
are
a
outdoors,
doubleheader?
in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the
This is a...
Grant and Miami. This is NOAA All Hazard.